komeza.
Dropped him off. I was heading to the staff apartment, and I saw him laying next to the barn.
Ndi kugenda rero nibwo naje kumubona hasi haryamye hafi y'ikiraro. Haryamye. Namubonye aryamye.
One of the horses.
Was Kimmy there?
Kimmy yarahari?
No, sir.
Oya, ntago yarahari.
Was Rain there?
Rain yarahari?
Sir.
Yego, Rain yarahari.
Officer Alex.
Officer Alex.
Did they know this was my son?
Bari babizi ko ari umuhungu wanjye?
No, sir.
Ntago mbikeka ko babizi.
Lying to me.
Ni nsanguri kumbisha.
Lying to me.
Ndi kukubisha.
Not, sir. I would.
Ntago nakubisha nyekuba. Ntago ibyo bintu nabigukora. Se twagutinyuka.
Is he gonna be okay?
Araza kumera neza. Mva kwibaraguza.
Get him.
Yes, sir.
Dutegereje muganga agenda.
Not stay. You stay.
Kumano nako. Kamuzana. Kuzana muganga.
You know, I invested a lot of time in you.
Vanagushoyemo igihe kinini pe.
No, you did, sir.
Ndabizi.
And if you... Oh, fuck.
I would never, sir.
Ni nsango mbeshya ntago nabitinyuka wa. Wewe wabeshya umukire.
You're with me.
Kubera ko turi kumwe.
I'm with you.
Cyane ndi kumwe nawe.
Then why did Rain ask you to drive her?
Kubera ikire yine yagusabye ko ari uzajya umutwara. Ntabyo nzi.
Leave.
Genda.
Leave!
Urashaka genda. Genda. Kigabo cyarahumuye. Yeah. Baby.